Good morning, sir.
So, good morning. Yeah. So we are doing chapter 15. And can you tell me till which question we have done, which exercise, which question we have done in chapter 15?
Sir, we were doing exercise 15C.
We were doing exercise 15. And which question in exercise 15C? Which question?
Sir, 2.
Exercise 15C, question 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we were discussing these questions in the book.
Sir, we have done first. Now when we were on question 2, the class
First,
was over.
okay. We did first and third in the book. And second, I told you we will discuss in the next class because there was not much time left. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second one we have to do. Second one also is to be done in the book only.
Okay, sir.
They are saying in the question it is given that there are
Sir, we have to do 7th and 8th.
seventh and eighth of what?
15B.
Sorry. But we have done seventh and eighth of 15B. We have done question 7 and question 8 of 15B. Now
Yes, sir, we have done.
we are doing exercise 15C. And we have done the first and third question in the book. Now we have to do the second one. Second one also is to be done in the book only. Okay. So we are going to discuss question 2. Exercise 15C. Question number 2. In the question it is given that two sides of a triangle are 5 centimeters and 9 centimeters long. One side is 5 centimeter long, the other side is 9 centimeter long. What can be the length of the third side? Third side की length क्या हो सकती है? We all know that हम लोग इतना पढ़ चुके हैं कि that in a triangle the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. जैसे if this side is 5, this is 9. So third side जो होगी आपकी that will be always less than the sum of these two. यानी कि इन दोनों का जो sum होगा it will be greater than the third side. So if third side is x, so 5 plus 9, the sum of these two sides will be greater than the third side. Third side से बड़ा होगा. Okay. So 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 is greater than x. That means we can also say that अगर हम उल्टा करते हैं इसको, we can also write it in this way. X should be less than 14. The length of x should be less than 14. पहली बात तो ये हो गई. And there is another thing here. X should be less than 14 centimeter. One more thing is there. Now, if you look at these sides, out of these two, this one, this side 9 is greater. 5 और 9 में अगर हम compare करें, 9 centimeter is greater. So एक और चीज है 5 और x. If you add any two sides, the sum is greater than the third side. So 5 और x का sum भी क्या होना चाहिए? This should also be greater than 9. 5 and x, the sum of these two should also be greater than the third side, which is 9. So 5 plus x is greater than 9. You can write it as 5. Sorry, 5 you can take to RHS. X is greater than 9 minus 5. That means you get x greater than 4 centimeters. So these are the two answers. There are two answers of this question. In your book, only one answer is given. There should be two answers. First is x should be less than 14 and greater than 4 centimeters. So these are the two answers. Okay. The third side of skill
Sir,
and 14.
11 also, no? So x is equal to 11.
X equal to, we can take x equal to 11 centimeters, 10 centimeters also we can take. We can take 8 centimeter also. Anything between 4 and 14. 4 और 14 के बीच में कोई भी लेंथ ले सकते हैं. अगर आप 4 से छोटी ले लेंगे, it will not be possible. Why? If I take a side which is less than 4, for example, if I take 3 centimeters, अगर मैं यहाँ पे 3 ले लेता हूँ, तो 3 plus 5 कितना होगा? 8, which is less than 9. Is it possible? No, not possible. If I take, suppose 10 centimeter, if I take 10 centimeters, so 5 plus 10 कितना हो गया? 15. 15 is greater, so 10 ले सकते हैं. If you add 5 and 9, 5 and 9, the sum is 14. इन दोनों का sum भी 10 से बड़ा है. So अगर मैं 10 लूंगा, then it satisfies all the conditions. So 10 centimeter you can take. अगर 14 से बड़ा ले लेते हैं, for example, if I take 15 centimeter ले लूंगा, so you add these two sides. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 is less than 15. So 15 is also not possible. यानी कि 14 से बड़ा you cannot take, and you cannot take less than 4 also. 4 centimeter से छोटा भी नहीं ले सकते, 14 से बड़ा भी नहीं ले सकते. Okay. So anything between 4 and 14 is your answer. Okay. So this you can do in your book only. If you want, you can write it in your copies also. Okay. Question number 4. These questions are a little different. You have to do proving in these questions. You will be doing it for the first time, but these are easy questions, not very difficult. These are easy. Okay.
Sir, can you please discuss question number 3 again? I can't understand it then.
Question 3, they have, okay, let me draw the figure for this. So this is the figure given in the question. Now the first part is PA plus PB. You have to compare PA and PB is greater than, less than or equal to AB. क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? Greater than, less than या फिर equal to क्या आएगा? You can see PA, PB and AB are sides of which triangle? These are sides of this triangle, triangle PAB. All the three are sides of triangle PAB. So PA is this, PB is this, and AB is this side. Okay. So if you add two sides of the triangle, the sum is always greater than the third side. क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? Greater than का sign आ जाएगा. Got it? Similarly, in the other two parts also you will do PB plus PC dash BC. PB plus PC is again greater than BC. And in the third part, AC dash PA plus PC. Triangle PAC को देखिए. Look at triangle PAC. This is triangle PAC. इसमें If you add PA and PC, the sum will be greater than AC, यानी कि AC is smaller than the sum of PA plus PC. AC जो है वो इन दोनों के सम से छोटी होगी. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will do question number 4. Just a minute. Question number 4. Question 4. So there is a triangle given in the question. Triangle ABC. In this, it is given that AM is a median of the triangle. Median का meaning आप लोग जानते हैं. Median means a line segment. Median क्या होता है? Median is a line segment. This line segment AM. AM is median. So a line segment which joins one vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle. ठीक है? ट्रायंगल के किसी एक वर्टेक्स को अगर मैं अपोजिट साइड के मिड पॉइंट से, मिड पॉइंट जानते हैं आप? मिड पॉइंट इज द पॉइंट व्हिच डिवाइड्स द लाइन सेगमेंट इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. मिड पॉइंट जो एग्जैक्टली बीच में आता है, नाम से पता चल रहा है, मिडिल में जो आता है मिड पॉइंट. सो मिड पॉइंट को और वर्टेक्स को ज्वाइन कर देंगे, देन यू गेट अ मीडियन. ओके, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म, generally used, very often used in geometry. Median. याद
Sir,
रहेगा
you
आपको?
taught me this triangle copy.
Yes, you have to draw the figure in your copies.
Okay, sir.
This is known as a median. Now, what you have to prove in this, so that also you will write here. To prove. To prove AB plus BC plus CA, sum of all the three sides, AB plus BC plus CA is greater than twice of the median, which is AM. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. This is what you have to prove. Okay, so now the proof. Proof का meaning क्या होता है? That टू प्रूव मतलब आपको क्या प्रूव करना है, क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहे हैं आपसे करने के लिए। प्रूफ मतलब नाउ यू आर स्टार्टिंग टू शो इट या नाउ यू आर स्टार्टिंग टू डू इट, कैसे करना है। दैट मीन्स आप एक तरीके से कह सकते हैं कि सबूत पेश कर रहे हैं। प्रूफ का मतलब सबूत, ठीक है। Proof. So yeah, how to do it? First of all, it is a very simple one. In triangle ABM, let's take triangle ABM. In this triangle, we all know that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. This property we will use here. So what is the thing? AB plus BM. If I add these two sides, AB plus BM. तो थर्ड साइड कौन सी बची इस ट्रायंगल में? इन ट्रायंगल एबीयू, व्हिच इज द थर्ड साइड? एबी और बीएम को छोड़ दें अगर, इन दोनों को ऐड कर दिया मैंने, व्हिच साइड इज द थर्ड वन? इस ट्रायंगल की थर्ड साइड कौन सी है? फर्स्ट इज एबी, सेकंड इज बीएम. व्हाट इज द थर्ड साइड ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल?
AM.
Yes, AM is the third side. Remaining side कौन सी बची? AM. So if I add these two sides, their sum will be greater than the third side, which is AM. Are you getting my point? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the reason that you are going to write here? What is the reason how we can write this? This is triangle inequality. Triangle inequality. Okay. Mark this as inequation number 1. इसको बुलाते हैं inequation. Equation जानते हैं आप? This is an equation. X plus y is equal to 5. ये क्या है? This is an equation. Equation में क्या दिखता है आपको? Equal to. Inequation क्या होती है? Inequation. What is inequation? जिसमें equal to नहीं होगा, greater than या फिर less than का साइन होगा. So this one is an equation. This is an inequation. Understood? So this is an inequation. Mark this as inequation number 1. This is your inequation number 1. इसको नाम दे दिया मैंने. Let it be inequation number 1. Now let's do the same thing in the other triangle. In triangle ACM, the other triangle. ये वाला triangle ले लेते हैं. यहाँ पर भी वही काम करेंगे. AC plus CM. AC plus CM is greater than which side? AC और CM का सम कौन सी साइड से बड़ा होगा?
AM.
Yes, again AM. And again, what is the reason? Triangle inequality.
Inequality.
Write the same reason. Full form में लिखना है. मैंने short में लिखी है, मेरे पास जगह नहीं है वहाँ पर. Write the reason in full form and mark this as inequation number 2. Inequation number 2. Okay. Now you have to add the two equations. Inequation, sorry. Adding inequations 1 and 2. दोनों inequations को मैं यहाँ पर add कर रहा हूँ. Now how to add two inequations? Add कैसे करते हैं? बहुत simple काम है add करना. First वाली inequation ये है, second वाली ये है, इन दोनों को add करना. How to add? दोनों का LHS देखिए. What is the LHS of the first one? What is the LHS of first one? All of you? What is the LHS?
AB plus BM.
Yes, AB plus BM is the LHS of first one. First inequation के LHS में आप second inequation का LHS add कर देंगे. AB plus BM plus AC plus CM. ऐड कर दिया मैंने दोनों को, ऐड करना है ना, देखिए तो दोनों इन इक्वेशंस का LHS मैंने यहाँ पर ऐड कर दिया। ओके, so here the symbol is greater than, here also it is greater than, तो आप भी यहाँ पर क्या लगा देंगे, greater than का symbol लगा देंगे। Now you add the RHS. What is the RHS of first one?
AM.
AM. RHS of second one? Again AM.
AM.
AM plus AM. Easy है, बताइए यहाँ तक clear हो गया? Is it easy?
Yes sir.
दोनों इन इक्वेशंस को ऐड करना है, इट इज वेरी सिंपल थिंग। तो अब मैंने क्या करा, AB को ऐसे ही कॉपी कर दिया नीचे, प्लस AC को भी ऐसे लिख दिया, बट यहाँ पर PM एंड CM इन दोनों को देखो क्या करूंगा मैं अभी, BM प्लस CM, लुक एट द फिगर, फिगर को देखिए, BM और CM इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा, व्हाट इज द टोटल लेंथ,
BNC.
BMC, BMC, अभी किसी ने सही बोला, BMC बन जाएगा। BMC को मैं शॉर्ट में BC भी लिख सकता हूँ, BC, ओके, तो BM प्लस CM इज इक्वल टू BC, बोल सकते हैं BM प्लस CM इज इक्वल टू BC, एम आई राइट? तो BM प्लस CM को ऐड करके मैं यहाँ पर BC लिख देता हूँ। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes sir.
तो ये ग्रेटर देन सेम ऐसे लिख दिया, AM प्लस AM कितना हो गया, 2AM,
2 AM.
हेंस प्रूव, यही प्रूव करना था हमको। आंसर देखो यही लिखा है यहाँ पर, आपको यही शो करके दिखाना था, प्रूव करके दिखाना था, AB प्लस BC प्लस CA इज ग्रेटर देन 2AM, वही यहाँ पर आ गया, देखिए, गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ इट?
Yes sir.
डू इट इन योर कॉपीज।
So done.
Sir, in to prove we have it is written AB plus BC plus CA, and in the last one it's written AB plus AC plus BC.
बेटा एक ही बात है, वहां पर BC पहले लिखा हुआ है, हाँ BC बाद में लिख दिया। आप अगर 4 प्लस 3 करें तो भी 7 आएगा, और 3 प्लस 4 करें तो भी 7 आएगा, एम आई राइट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
तो इसीलिए BC को चाहे पहले लिखो या बाद में लिखो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। 4 प्लस 3 करने पे भी 7 आएगा, 3 प्लस 4 करने पे भी 7 आएगा, गॉट इट? तो बोथ आर द सेम थिंग।
Sir, can we do question number 5 on our own?
Yes, you can try. It is of the same type, exactly same in fact. बिल्कुल
Yes.
सेम क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन 5, बस वहां पर M की जगह सब जगह P है, और कुछ नहीं है, इज सेम। ऐसा कुछ बना हुआ है, ठीक है, समथिंग लाइक दिस। There you have to prove AB plus BC plus CA is equal to twice of AP. क्वेश्चन 5 मैंने यहाँ पर कर दिया, बिल्कुल सेम है, बस M की जगह सब जगह क्या आ जाएगा, P आ जाएगा. Triangle ACP, AC plus CP is greater than AP. AB plus BP plus AC plus CP is greater than AP plus AP. AP plus AP is 2AP. That's true. देख लीजिए बिल्कुल सेम है, बस जहां M था वहां P हो गया. Understood the fifth one also, all of you? Start doing it in your copies. Try to do it on your own. Don't look at the board. Do it on your own. Let me give you a suggestion. Today in the evening, you do these questions. जो भी आज मैं questions ये करा रहा हूँ, do these questions one more time. It will give you a good practice of these questions. एक बार और अपने आप पहले देख लीजिए एक बार इसको कैसे करा है. You revise it how it is done in the class. See your notebooks, and then close your notebooks. Take out a rough notebook. Look, do it in your rough notebook without seeing it from your notebook. Okay, try to do it in the evening. You try it today. Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay. Let's do the next one. Question 6. Okay, we will do question 7 first. Question 6, I don't think वो हो पाएगा आज की class में because not much time is left. We will do question 7 first. Question 6 we will do in the next class. Okay. Question 6 थोड़ा सा लेंगे. Question 7. In the question, there is a triangle ABC. And there is a point O which is lying outside the triangle. All the three vertices of the triangle are joined with this point O. AO, BO, CO, all are joined. Okay. Now you have to prove in this twice of AO plus BO plus CO is greater than AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. 2 times of AB plus AO plus BO plus CO is greater than AB plus BC plus CO. This is what you have to prove. Okay. So yeah, let's start with the proof. First of all, take a triangle जिसमें AO and BO are sides of the triangle. AO and BO are sides of which triangle? Triangle AOB. So वही triangle यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं. In triangle AOB, let's take triangle AOB. Here, if you add AO and BO at two sides of the triangle, AO और BO को हमने add कर दिया. The sum of AO and BO will be greater than the third side, which is AB. AB से बड़ा होगा. What is the reason? Triangle inequality. Write this reason in full form. Mark this as inequation number 1. Okay. Inequation number 1 mark कर लेंगे इसको. Now let's take another triangle. In triangle BOC triangle ले लेते हैं. BOC. Here BO plus CO is greater than BC. In equation number 2, reason triangle inequality. Same तरीके से. Third, in triangle AOC, third triangle area AOC. Here AO plus CO is greater than AC. Again the same reason, triangle inequality in equation number 3. Third inequation, again you add all the three equations. Adding 1 first inequation, set 2 and 3. Add all the three inequations. So when you add all the three inequations, you have to add the LHS of all the three. तीनों का LHS ऐड कर देंगे. कैसे ऐड करेंगे? Let me tell you. Yeah. So how do you add the LHS of all the three inequations? AO plus BO plus BO plus CO plus AO plus CO. ये सब ऐड कर देंगे. AO plus BO plus BO plus CO plus AO plus CO. Adding the LHS of all the three inequations. तीनों inequations का LHS मैंने यहाँ पर ऐड कर दिया. बीच में क्या सिंबल लगा है? ग्रेटर देन. सब जगह ग्रेटर देन है तो यहाँ पर मैंने भी ग्रेटर देन लगा दिया. RHS देखिए AB. Now you add the RHS of all the three. AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC. Okay. AB plus BC plus AC. Now you see the LHS. LHS को देखिए. AO plus AO becomes 2AO. BO plus BO becomes 2BO. And CO plus CO becomes 2CO. देख लीजिए सब चीजें दो दो बार आ रही हैं. AO भी 2 बार था, 2AO बन गया, BO भी 2 बार है, 2BO बन गया, and CO is also 2 times, it becomes 2CO. Greater than AB plus BC plus CA. CA या AC कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. Now all the three terms are having 2, so you can take 2 common. This is known as taking 2 common. So outside the bracket you write 2, and in the bracket you write AO plus BO plus CO. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं इसको. This is known as taking 2 common. Okay. Greater than AB plus BC plus CA. Hence proved. यही प्रूव करना था आपको. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Please take a.
Yes, sir.
Now the time is about to end. Take a screenshot first, and then you can continue writing.
Sir, then a screenshot and understand also.
Okay. First, take a screenshot, and then keep on writing.